the U.S. market, small caps are underperforming large caps. That uncommon divergence has caused some investors to fear a strong sell-off in large cap stocks. What are your thoughts?
Well, I think that, you know what, whenever the market gets to a very toppy period, and I think what you're seeing is we've had a great run, and I think that retail investors are starting to really throw money into the market, which is not a good sign, and they generally throw money into the big names, and that's why I think you're seeing it. You know, the small caps had a very good run last year. I think that, you know, but people aren't looking at that. They're looking at something safe. They're looking at something that they still think is going to be, if the market does have a little bit of a correction, that they'll be okay with it. Whereas in a small cap situation, it could be 20 or 30%, where in a big cap it might only be 5 or 10%. So I think that it's retail money going into a safer play of the big names.
And what's your outlook for U.S. markets in general?
Well, I'm a little bit on the bear side, believe it or not. I think that most stocks are trading at or near their 52-week highs. So what ends up happening is that, you know, if there's no explosion in growth anywhere, there's not going to be any explosion in growth in the market. So I think that right now where toppy gets a little scary. I think there will be a little bit of a pullback.